Start, sir.
Okay, start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Syed Was from MEC 1A, roll number 22, St. Joseph Junior College. Today, I'm going to talk about application of mathematics in aeronautical engineering. Contents. First, we will see introduction to aeronautical engineering, then importance of mathematics in aeronautical engineering and history of aeronautical engineering, and then applications of mathematics in aeronautical engineering. What is aeronautical engineering? Aeronautical engineering is the science involved with the study, design, and manufacture of flight-capable machines or the techniques of operating aircrafts. The aeronautical engineering course trains an engineer in designing, constructing, analyzing, and testing of commercial or military aircrafts, missiles, and spacecrafts. Aerospace engineers are responsible for the research, design, and production of aircrafts, spacecrafts, aerospace equipment, satellites, and missiles. They also develop new technologies in commercial aviation, defense systems, and space exploration. Importance of mathematics in aeronautical engineering. Besides being the most important subject in any aspect of life, mathematics is the fundamental principle behind almost all engineering. Whether modeling shapes, designing on a computer, checking stress and strains, calculating fluid dynamics, or determining areas, maths is the root of all these activities. Mathematics is the most widely used in engineering, especially in aeronautical engineering, because aeronautical engineering is a complex subject compounded with the engineering of every flying craft, including spacecrafts and rockets. Application. Airlift of an aircraft. Airlift is a fundamental concept of an aviation. It requires the understanding of Brunel's equation, which shows how to calculate linear velocities and area of an aircraft. All of these activities are very max intensive. Some require simple multiplication, but others require solving equations with calculus. Without being able to mathematically calculate a lifting force on a wing, it would be impossible to determine if a design for a plane would allow it to fly or not. Strength of an aircraft. The heavier the plane is, the more lift is required for flight. Therefore, aeronautical engineers look for lightweight materials to use in plane construction. However, the material must still have the required strength to deal with the loads and stress that are a part of flight, takeoffs, and landings. Math plays a vital role in determining material strengths and their reactions to various stress and strains. Fluid mechanics. In fluid mechanics, moving air is treated as a fluid. Fluid mechanics is a critical study for aeronautical engineers. It helps them to understand the forces that air will exert on a moving object and how they can impact a vehicle in a flight. Fluid mechanics is a very math-intensive and requires an understanding of calculus and linear algebra. Economics. Planes do not get funded unless they offer good performance and are cheap at the same time. Math skills help engineers understand cost, what trade-offs can be made, and the future implications a decisions may have on the cost of a project. Mathematics helps an engineer formulate the economic justification for any recommendations to a project that requires a financial study. Conclusion. In aeronautical engineering, mathematics is used to design and develop new components, maintain operating components, model real-life situations in the manufacturing and successful performance of aircrafts like airplanes, spacecrafts, helicopters, etc. Not only in aeronautical engineering, but mathematics is used in almost every aspect of life of a human being.